Dear GialloZafferano friends, today we are going to prepare a delicious recipe together. We will combine two flavors born to be together and will accompany them with crispy baked potatoes. Chicken thighs with bacon and mustard. Manual at the stove. Ready? Go! I'll skin each thigh, and then I'll make 4 cuts. Brush it with mustard, distributing it evenly, also inside the cuts. I wrap each thigh with 2 slices of bacon. And finally put them on a baking tray, placing them next to each other. Drizzle of oil. I add to the garlic cut in half. Rosemary sprigs and sage. Let's season with salt and pepper. And finally add to the wine. Bake at 180 degrees for 50 minutes. Checking them and sprinkling the surface from time to time with their cooking sauce. And what is the perfect side dish for these chicken thighs? In my opinion, roast potatoes. Let's see how to make them. I've already blanched the potatoes for 5 minutes. Now throw them into a bowl, flavor with fresh thyme, a drizzle of oil, salt, and mix well. I'll take a bacon dish that I've already heated, a drizzle of oil. I add to the potatoes, add rosemary and garlic. I'll bake them in a fan oven at 200 degrees for 1 hour. Check this out, juicy chicken crispy bacon. I'll link down below the step-by-step photo recipe. If you liked this video, leave a nice like or comment. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel.